Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring invoices with Autopay in QuickBooks Online. This feature is incredibly useful if you have clients who pay the same amount regularly, as it automates the entire billing process and saves you time each month. To get started, look at the upper right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click on the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all the important settings and configuration options within QuickBooks. Once you click it, a menu will appear with several columns of options. From this menu, find the List column and select Recurring Transactions. This section is where QuickBooks stores all your automated billing templates, making it easy to manage invoices that repeat on a schedule. Once you're in the Recurring Transactions area, you'll see any existing templates you've created, along with the option to add new ones. Click the New button to start creating your recurring invoice template. QuickBooks will ask you to specify what type of transaction you want to automate. For transaction type, select Invoice from the drop-down menu and click OK. This tells QuickBooks that you're setting up a billing document rather than a payment or expense. Next, you'll need to choose the type of automation you want. Select Scheduled from the options. This setting ensures that QuickBooks will automatically generate and send the invoice according to the schedule you define, rather than just saving it as a reminder for you to manually send later. Now it's time to fill in the details that make your recurring invoice work. Start by entering a template name that clearly identifies this invoice, such as monthly retainer or subscription fee. Then select the customer who will receive this invoice from your client list. After that, set the recurring interval, which could be weekly, monthly, or any custom time frame that matches your billing cycle. Finally, choose a start date to tell QuickBooks when to begin sending these invoices. With the schedule configured, move on to adding the actual line items. Enter the products or services you're billing for, along with their quantities and prices. Make sure everything is accurate, as this template will repeat automatically based on what you enter here. Once you've reviewed all the details and confirmed everything looks correct, click Save Template. This activates your recurring invoice schedule, and QuickBooks will now handle the rest automatically according to the timing you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.